Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term FTM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FTM is an abbreviation for female to male transgender person. People use it when referring to someone who transitions from female to male. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FTM first showed up in transgender communities in the late 20th century. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among LGBTQ people and allies. Now let's check out how to use FTM in a sentence. Correct example 1. My friend recently came out as FTM and is excited to share his journey. Correct example 2. Did you meet the new FTM guy at work? He seems really nice. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FTM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FTM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FTM means abbreviation for female to male transgender person. It started in transgender communities in the late 20th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FTM in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.